Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In the previous videos, we create single user account for both student and teacher. In this video, we are going to create multiple user accounts that we can create account for multiple user. It may be students or teachers as well. The single user method is a little bit slower and it should be used for the fewer number of students, while for large number of accounts we should use multiple user account creation method. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video we are going to discuss steps for creating multiple user accounts. Step number 1, just open your admin dashboard and click add multiple user button. Step number 2, just download a CSV file from there. Step number 3, just copy the usernames to this file and save it. And after saving the username of the students, just upload this CSV file. Remove duplication if any error. After uploading this file, if there occur any error, just remove duplication in the CSV file and upload again. At the end of this process, just type a single email to send these username and passwords. Here we are going to create multiple user account. Just open your admin dashboard and click on users, then active users. With this option you can create single user account, and from this option add multiple user you can create multiple user account. There are two options: download a blank CSV file with required headers, download a CSV file that includes example user information. Just download this Excel file. You can see a file that is downloaded. Just open this file. Now just I am going to create multiple account for students. So I have a students list. Just copy few students. Just copy these students username. Copy and paste here in the username column. Paste here. Just copy and paste here. You can see, just zoom it. These names are pasted here. Just copy and write here in the first name column. And also in display name. Only copy your information in username and then first name and display name. Just remove the blank space. Just only remove the blank space in the name in the username column only. Just remove the blank space. Just remove the blank space. And after each name, just write domain name of your organization. hed.gkp dot pk. Just copy. It should be noted, it should be blue, otherwise there will be a blank space. Just write, just copy this domain name and write after each username. Just type and copy after each username. Just paste here. Paste after each username. So you can see these are the username for the multiple students. Just close this file and save. Yes.